Hello, fine people. She's been begging. I tell her no, she has to wait until the video starts. Because that's part of the ritual lately. Here's some of it right here. Ready? There you go. That kitty cat of mine. I just got done getting myself some Linner, which is right here. Because it's like 2:30. It's a little late for lunch, a little early for dinner. You know how me and my Linner goes. It's really my breakfast also, because I did have a bowl of cantaloupe earlier, so I guess that could be considered my breakfast. But, here's my Linner for today. I cut up an ear of corn, an ear off, this is, it's so bright, you can't see, whoa. That is potatoes. It's sour cream and chive boxed mixed scallop potatoes. And then, this is the rest of my steak from last night, and a small little, Dad put on a few little center cut pork chops on the grill last night also. So, that's what I'm having. And for drink, this is the exact same can of mucho mango I showed you the other day because I never drank it. I ended up drinking water because with my oatmeal and my nectarines, this would have just been too much sweet. So I had water. And dessert's going to be elementary school style. Pow! Tapioca pudding. I didn't realize I had one left. I love tapioca pudding. When I was a kid, my neighbor lady, whenever I was sick, she would make me homemade tapioca pudding and bring it over. It was so sweet of her. My mom and dad don't like it. My mom used to say, it looks like fish eggs. Why do you eat it? It looks like fish eggs. If fish eggs taste... I eat the roe on sushi and I don't mind it. It's just like little bubbles of saltiness. It isn't bad. So yeah. It is Sunday, right? Yeah, I'll go with Sunday. Dad's gone. He had a late lunch date with his friend Carol. She had a gift certificate for Red Lobster and asked Dad if he wanted to go. And he's like, I'll help you burn it. He hadn't been to Red Lobster in a long time, so that's where he's at. I got my coupons back here to go through, which aren't very many in the newspaper. I'm going to watch a movie maybe while I eat. And then after that, do my couponing. Still kind of tied to the house, which is, I'm on that edge of sanity and insanity. Let's just say that. I'm still on the sane side, but I feel like I have two big hands behind me getting ready to go whoosh! Yeah. Oh, a couple questions. Okay, we're going to segue into some SouthTube questions. Well, one main one from me. Thursday night dinner. What time would be a good time? I mean, I don't know what time Gigi and Judy and Rock and Tammy are getting in on Thursday. I know they're all flying on Thursday, but I don't know if it's evening or afternoon or what. I was thinking around 6 o'clock, but I wanted to get any other kind of input from y'all about that. That was Daryl who called me yesterday at the end of the vlog, just so y'all know. That was Daryl. Hi, Daryl. He had checked out one of the restaurants, and he's going to check out one more for me. The one he has checked out, he gave approval to. He said the food was good, nice people. It's a Mexican place. And the other place he's going to look at is an Irish pub. So, yeah. Also, I'd been thinking about it, but I hadn't said it. And then a couple people mentioned it in yesterday's vlog comments about doing the postcards again this year. Sure, I'll address a bunch of... So anybody who is not attending SouthTube who would like a postcard, PM me with the word postcard as the subject line. That way I can write them all down and not have to search them. I know automatically. Because Daryl's there, he can get postcards way ahead of time, and you know it'll be much easier than poor Tammy last year looking for him everywhere. So yeah, we'll do postcards again this year. I think that's all I wanted to say. Oh yeah, anybody? I know I've probably mentioned this before, but if you have a good game, board game, card game, dice game, any kind of game that would be fun for you know, well, anything from 2 to a group of people, bring it along, man, because it's always nice to have, you know, it's always nice to play games away from the Facebook when you're actually there and can, like, hit the person on the arm going, I can't believe you did that. I miss it. I miss being able to sit down around a table with people and play a game. I do. I'm going to try to find a few of mine to take. I have to figure out where they all are. I know I have a bunch in the basement. I have a tote of them in the garage. I have a couple over here. I think I have Scattergories over here, which I'll probably take. And I want to try to find my Imagine If game, because that's a really fun group game. Apples to Apples is a fun group game also, but I don't know where it is right now. But yeah, because I grew up being a big game card, dice, whatever. I love that kind of stuff. I guess that's about it. I'm going to roll. So, Kitty, you going to say goodbye? She's looking out in the world. After that video yesterday, and I told you Dad was out mowing because the storm was coming. Well, then Daryl called. I was talking to Daryl, and then I heard the thunder start to roll in, and I got the phone with Daryl, and it was pouring, and then we had little pea-sized hail bouncing all over, and then it was ugly. And then that poor stage down in the Indiana State Fair in Indianapolis that collapsed on those people. Oh, it's so sad. Because it was a windy mofo. Sadness. But today it's cool, overcast, and kind of like looks like it wants to rain, but not storm. Just, you know, spit on us a little bit. All right. I'm rolling. You gonna come say goodbye now? Here. She says, bye-bye. Yeah. All right. See ya.